Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing really great. So being an influencer and a product reviewer, most common question that has been asked several times from me is whether one can earn by promoting products or not. Well, I always say yes you can. So today in this video, I'm going to explain it all to you. I'm gonna tell you my way of earning money just by a simple method. So let's just start the video. You can actually earn a decent amount by using this app called eSocial by Hackmo, and you can earn money just by sharing and promoting products without taking much stress, and believe me, you don't feel any workload on your shoulders. Whether you are a housewife, whether you are a student, you can actually earn a very decent amount of money. So let me just show you the app. This is the app. You can actually download it from the Play Store. After downloading it, you can register in it. You can sign up. You can register according to your category as an Instagram influencer, as a YouTube influencer, as a reseller, according to your wish. So after signing up on the app, you actually see a menu option on the top corner. So in the menu option, you see brand collab option. Here you can find the list of all the campaigns that are going on right now. So you can choose the brand according to your niche, and after choosing the brand, click on the particular brand that you want to promote or that you want to collab with, and you can fill up your details there. Campaigns available here are both barter and paid. I have done more than like 10 to 15 collabs from this category only. Okay, so now the actual question arises, how to exactly earn while promoting the products. For this, you have to either choose a particular category from this, or you can choose view all. So like here, I choose the category beauty. So it shows me all the beauty brands that are available right now. Wow, here are some amazing and well-known brands available. So you can choose your favorite brand and your favorite product from that brand to promote and to earn. So each product and each brand has some percentage written over it. So this percentage is actually the profit that you're gonna earn when you promote and share this particular brand or product. Each product has a dedicated link to it. So you can share this dedicated link with your videos, your posts, your pictures, your blogs, anything on the multiple platforms. You can use any platform to share this particular link. When your audience will shop with that dedicated link of yours, you're gonna get that percentage that is written over the brand. So all the percentage that you're gonna earn, it is applicable over the selling price of the product. So now I would like to highlight some of the points that made me choose this app. First thing is its interface. Interface is really smooth and really simple to understand and use. There is nothing hidden over this app. Everything is available on this app itself. Next thing is, there are multiple international brands available on this app. You can choose your brand according to your choice. There are brands available that need no introduction in the market, so it will be very easy for you to share and promote the products. Really a win-win situation for both the influencer and the audience. If you are an influencer, you are actually getting the product, you are sharing the product, promoting the product, getting paid for it, and you are actually getting profit when you share and promote the products. If you are purchasing the product, you are purchasing it at a reduced price, you are getting influencer discounts, and also you are getting cashbacks. Isn't it amazing? So being an influencer, you can actually track each and everything. You can track your transaction history, your order IDs, everything is available on this app. So actually it is very simple, easy and amazing way to earn money just by sitting at home. Now the next question comes, how to exactly get that money that you have earned. Even that procedure is really simple here. You just have to add your bank details here and you will get your money. Friends, download this app eSocial by Hackmo now and start promoting the products. Not just promoting the products, but also earning through it, so that even you can answer the question, can I earn through promoting products or not? And even you can help others too. Thank you.